environmental chemistry. Now we will discuss another important environmental pollution, that is ozone layer depletion, and why the ozone layer is getting depleted. What are the causes for the ozone layer depletion, we will see now in this class. Ozone layer. This ozone layer present from 11 to 50 kilometers. This is 0 to 10 kilometers. This is 10 to 50 kilometers. In this 10 to 50 kilometers from the Earth's surface, you can find out this ozone layer. This ozone layer begins at around 35th kilometer and it is spreading up to 50th kilometer, and it's a solid, dense, thick layer of around 15 kilometers thickness, and where it was produced from the atmospheric oxygen. This atmospheric oxygen take up sunlight and gets converted into ozone. This is oxygen from the atmosphere. This is ozone produced in the 10 to 50 kilometer, that is stratosphere. This ozone formation is an endothermic process. Decomposition of ozone is an exothermic process, but formation of ozone is an endothermic process. Since it is absorbing light, sunlight from the sun's atmosphere, and oxygen molecules get converted into ozone molecule. This ozone molecules produced over 15 kilometer thick layer that is protecting life on the earth, where the human beings are protected, human life is protected, animals are protected, plants are protected. The survival of the 0 to 10 kilometers is tropospheric survival, depends on the protection by the ozone layer. Since it is not allowing harmful ultraviolet radiations directly which are coming out from the sun's atmosphere, and they are being blocked there, they are being stopped there, okay, with the help of the ozone layer. This blockage will not allow UV radiations to pass through it. If at all they passes, they may cause skin cancers, cataracts in the eyes, and so many ultraviolet related health diseases can be noticed in the human beings mainly. To prevent all this, this ozone layer is a naturally formed layer protecting the life and the environment. So now this ozone layer formation we have seen, what are its functions we have seen, and this ozone layer mainly getting depleted. This ozone layer is now getting depleted. The depletion in ozone layer is because of environmental polluting gases. The depletion in ozone layer means the holes produced in the ozone layer. The holes are because of many air pollutants going over there, reaching to that 10 to 50 kilometers stratosphere, and continuously attacking on the ozone molecules and causing the holes in the ozone layer, rather depletion in the ozone layer.